In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add brushes to Photoshop 2026 step by step. If you've downloaded custom brushes and you're not sure how to install them, or they're not showing up inside Photoshop, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to import and start using them in just a few clicks. This method works in Photoshop 2025, 2026, and most recent versions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is make sure your brush file is in the correct format. Photoshop brushes usually come as .abr files, which stands for Adobe Brush File. If you downloaded a zip file, make sure to extract it first so you can access the actual .abr file inside. Once you have that ready and saved somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or desktop, you're good to move on to the next step. Now go ahead and open Adobe Photoshop 2026. You can open any existing project or simply create a new blank document. The brushes can be imported without a document open, but I recommend opening one so you can test them immediately after installing. To create a new document, just click New File, choose your preferred size, and click Create. Next, we need to open the Brushes panel. If you don't already see it on your screen, go to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Brushes from the drop-down list. Once you click that, the Brushes panel will appear, usually on the right-hand side of your workspace. This panel is where all your installed brush presets are stored and organized. Now here's the important part, importing the brushes. In the Brushes panel, look at the top right corner and click on the small hamburger menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. When you click that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose Import Brushes. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to wherever you saved your .abr brush file. Click on the file to select it, then click Open. As soon as you do that, Photoshop will automatically import the brushes into your Brushes panel. There's no loading screen or confirmation message. They simply appear in your brush list. To find your newly imported brushes, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Brushes panel. Photoshop usually adds new brush packs underneath your existing brushes. If the brush pack is grouped, you can expand the folder by clicking the small arrow next to it. From there, just click on any brush to select it, grab your brush tool from the toolbar, and start painting on your canvas to test it out. If for some reason you don't see the brushes right away, double-check that you imported the correct .abr file and not a zip file. Also make sure you're looking in the Brushes panel and not the Brush Settings panel. They're different. The Brushes panel is specifically for managing and selecting brush presets. And that's it. That's how you add brushes to Photoshop 2026. As you can see, it's a very quick process once you know where everything is. Download the .abr file, open the Brushes panel, use the menu to click Import Brushes, and you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. I'll be posting more quick and easy guides to help you master Photoshop step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.